So in this video, we'll do the unboxing of wireless gaming combo from Logitech. I bought it from Costco. It has a headphone and a mouse. The headphones are G435SE and the mouse is G305SE. The headphones are Bluetooth and wireless, and mouse is only wireless. So we're gonna do the unboxing of it and let's see what the contents are. Let's open the box. Let's see. Let's see what's in the box. So battery, I think for the mouse. This is the mouse. It's very nicely packed. Let's open it up. It's a gaming mouse, looks very nice. And let's open the headphones. The headphones, and there's another box. Let's see what this box contains. There's nothing else in the box. Let's put the box aside, its packaging aside, and let's open up the headphones. They're pretty lightweight. These are the headphones. As you can see, it's G435. It has a power button here, volume up and down, and this is to reduce the volume to a level. This is for muting the microphone. And the charging and the cushions. It's very light, as you can see. Let's see. The cushions are they're pretty soft. And let's see what's in the box here. It seems like the dongle and the cable. So we got the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and a Logitech logo, a manual, quick start manual, and another manual, safety information. And here's the dongle. That is for the headphones only. I think the mouse is Bluetooth. I think the mouse is the wireless, and headphones are both Bluetooth and the wireless. So that's all in the box. As you can see, they're packed in this one. The headphones. This is all in the box. It comes with a battery. Let's see, is the battery. Let's see if we can put the battery in there. That's where the battery goes. It seems like there is a dongle for the mouse as well. There you go. So let's put the battery in there. It's very comfortable. It's a very nice mouse. So I do have a mouse which I use early for other computers. This is the mouse I'm using right now for my Mac and for my Windows computer. I'm going to connect this to my Mac. Not to Mac. I'm going to connect it to my Windows computer and see how it's going to work. And I'll try to use these ones on my Windows machine as well. Sometimes in the night I have to hear to the videos. I have to listen to the videos or the music. So my speakers are pretty loud. So I thought I'll try these headphones and see how they perform. So that's all we have in this video. That's all in the packaging. As you can see, I bought this from Costco for $120, and they were on sale, $20 off. So it comes down to $100. So that's all in this video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.